Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right now we're on the corner of Broadway and Magnet. Obviously Broadway's right here. This is Magnet. Right over there is the 5115, the Rising, which used to be St. Alexis, just to give you guys a reference. So we're here looking at 5320 Magnet. It's been on my list for quite a while. It has been approved for demo since 2024. Actually, in fact, if you come to this side of the property, you'll see that there's a dumpster which is overflowing with trash from people filling it, but that dumpster was laid there because they were prepping for demo, but now it since has become overfilled, and actually I'm sending in a complaint against it. As you can see, there are indications on the ground that there has been some demo prep. As you can see, the water lines have been marked, gas lines, but these are faded. So it seems like demo progression has stopped, and that's what we're really here to do today, is kind of document it again, because I really want to send the FPV drone into the house, which while I have drone footage of this house previously, I don't have many inside shots, and I think with the FPV drone it'll make a difference in being able to do that. But as you can see right in the back, there was a guy supposedly staying here. As you can see, there's all kinds of stuff laying, pill bottles and stuff laying around. There was also a report of a dog. Hello? As you can see, the door, you could just pop into it right here. You can just pop right in. That's where we're going to send the FPV drone in, to get a look at the inside, so to kind of show you guys the fire damage, which I haven't been able to previously document, and show just how bad the inside is. Maybe we can get demolition jump started here again. Alright, so anyway, without any further ado, we're going to cut to that footage right now. So as you guys can see over here at Magnet, this house needs to go. I mean, it could be renovated, maybe, but as you just saw on the drone footage, it's in horrible condition. It's been sitting like this, I think, for about 4 years. When I first recorded it, was about 3 years ago. But this house something needs to be done. We've asked for repeated board ups on this property, and it continually is busted into. It's been like that for the 3 years that I've been working on it, or at least I think nearly 4 years. I can't even recall. But it's a consistent issue. It needs to be taken care of. And as you just saw by the drone footage, you can see how bad of a condition it's in. So we're going to continue to try to get it taken care of and move on to the next. All right. Peace.